finally raining, yay! Not great for working outside, but that's okay. I have lots of stuff to do inside the garage. Just give you a little look at the decorations the kids put up. They really wanted to do their own stuff this year, so that's what they did. And the tomato cage ghost from Dollar Tree. They're so happy with their little decorations, and I love it. Little haunters. This is so far our graveyard. We have fill-in graves, Robin graves, empty graves, dug graves, and everything else is either covered or hiding in the garage right now. Time to work on some tombstones. Carve, carve, carve.